Did you know one rock could cost you thousands of dollars of windshield damage due to the technology that's built into them? And it might happen when you least expect it. In this video, we'll show you not only how to fix the damage, but also how to prevent it from happening again.
This Hyundai Ioniq came in with a rock chip that turned into a full crack. It's a common issue and unfortunately unavoidable on today's roads.
When it comes to replacing a cracked windshield, precision is everything. That's why we partnered with Precision Auto Glass, a trusted name with years of experience in the windshield repair replacement game. Whether it's your daily driver or a high-end car, they've got you covered. The team at Precision Auto Glass uses state-of-the-art tools and techniques to remove the damaged glass without causing harm to the frame or interior. At Durham Autohaus, we use cutting-edge tools to ensure the film is perfectly applied and cut to size for your car. This film acts as an invincible shield against rocks, debris, and scratches, giving your windshield armor-like protection. They only use premium grade adhesives that meet or exceed manufacturer standards, ensuring a strong bond that can withstand even the toughest road conditions. The new windshield is aligned to factory specifications, restoring the vehicle's structural integrity and ensuring optimal performance of safety features like sensors and cameras. After installation, the Precision Auto Glass team inspects every detail to guarantee a perfect fit. The film also features hydrophobic technology, causing water to bead and roll off, keeping your view crystal clear even in bad weather. Thanks to its self-healing technology, scratches on the film automatically disappear, and you can even speed up that process by exposing it to sunlight, heat, or hot water. Our windshield protection film not only prevents costly repairs, but it boosts the resale value, blocking 99.99% of harmful UV rays and keeps your car looking its best. If you've ever had a cracked windshield or you're looking to protect one, come see us. Together, we got you covered.